Hey guys, welcome back to uGenesys. Today we have another update on our progress in the FTMO challenge. And the account is valued at 10,000 US dollars, and here are the stats so far. And if you take a look at this chart, even though we had a loss last week, we're definitely trending upwards now with our profits. And just take a look at the profits that we made this morning. We made a total of $27.73. Now let me show you how we generated these profits. So we took the trades using our uGenesys volume indicator, and let me pull this up right here to show you the strategy. So down here is our volume section, and whenever these bars are above this golden line, then we know we have sufficient volume to take the trades. And also, whenever the price action is within this highlighted area, then we know that's a great time to take the trades as well. And additionally, we used our Market Keys Trade Manager to calculate our lot sizes and manage our trades for us. And so you can see our strategy is very beginner friendly and highly effective. And if you're excited about the possibilities, click the link in the description below to sign up with FTMO and embark on your journey towards a funded trading account. And also click the links below to purchase our uGenesys volume indicator and Market Keys Trade Manager and supercharge your trading strategy. And thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.